Presiden ke National People's Party Badiru Menteri Rambak Kejela Konrad Ki Sangma ulong bagi election siteng samai kedai bajuat bahan ke bentar ke parti. Kamtam namar ki artili konstituensi ke bagi NPP ke jom kedai belabat ke Seng Kongres ke badai hakal yang persya. Ulong bahabaro kini ke konstituensi kata Keraja Bala ban Maurin Kening ke NPP kawan balai ni basau hak por election. Bat mentah Raja Bala kelak kiu ban hau senam ajakat pra dapalat nyoh jar vote. Bat kumjuru kalong ha Maurin Kening. Ulong ba kejing kon kalong kebajuan hendak kipat ba kila ai kejing syania hak NPP bat hak sarkar MDA bat kini kadai namar halor kimat trikam bat kumju kikam ba kini sarkar senrop bala ilam nak NPP kala le ulong ba hak election kala don kejing syak keno hak yang persya bat ke NPP kala kren syai ba kakak bat menteri berban wanra ya karoi kapar bat mentai kipat ba kila sangtho bat ai kejubam bat kum ke sarkar MDA kala ayo e kejing job habaro lai tili kicaka haba kili ukan rat ulong bagi election MLE hak jela kadang sa sapalat sistem A bat anom la ban batai lupa ke ai ke banja hande ke jingmi nak election steng semai kadai kadak bagi ba ki jubab ke ai ke sarkar kala le bat kum ke sarkar kam dei ban simsting hande kadang hak menteri sistem nagaleng ba presiden tensong bade national vice president ke NPP ulong baka parti ke layu i ke jing temu jong ke Seng Kongres hak por bayalap ya ke election hak ba kila lech kipai ba wan syukurno ya ke sarkar MDA wala ilam nak NPP hene kipai ba jeng kelai tili konstituensi ki kamstan bani kitu kibriu ki ba keno ya ke sarkar dak ba pen i ba kidang don ke jing syania hak sarkar bala ilam nak Konrad ke sama ku menteri ramba.
I would at the very outset like to thank the people of all the three constituencies, especially Moronkneng and Rajabala, for having put their faith and trust in the National People's Party. And also would like to thank the voters of Mauplang who have also voted in large numbers for the National People's Party and have elected the candidate of one of the coalition partners in the government, the UDP, which is a direct mandate towards the government itself. So I would like to thank all the three constituencies. I would like to thank the workers and the leaders of all the political parties within the coalition of the MDA who have really worked tirelessly in the last 3-4 weeks for all the candidates. In fact, in Moronkneng, we were supported by the UDP, the PDF, the BJP, the HSPDP, and all the other coalition partners had supported us. So we like to thank them also for their support in Moronkneng. At the same time, I would like to also put on record that this by-election has been a very tough election for all of us. And the reason I say this is because these two seats that the NPP has won were seats that have been traditionally won by the opposition, or I should say the Congress. And in both the seats, you have seen that in the previous elections, the National People's Party used to come third or fourth in the rank. In fact, in 2013, the NPP managed to only get 450 votes in Rajabala constituency. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And in this election, we have crossed 11,823 votes. So a jump of almost close to 7,000 votes was done in Rajabala, which is a huge task. It's almost more than double of what the votes we got in 2018. Similarly, in Moronkneng also, it was same. What I'm trying to indicate is the fight has been tough, and yet the people have put their trust. It's because of the agendas and the work of this government that the people have seen. It's a clear mandate and a clear thumbs up, I should say, by the people of these two constituencies towards the government, and also in Mauplang towards the government of the MDA. Yes, there have been a lot of allegations that have been made by a lot of the opposition parties. We did not speak much. If you remember, in the election campaign also, I had said that we would like to work and play a politics of development, politics of progressive movement forward, election and a campaign of issues of the people. And that's how we have been doing it. And I'm happy that people have responded positively to our campaign. And we're very happy to see that today we have won, as a government, we have won all the 3 seats. Similarly, if you look at the entire Northeast also, in all the other Northeast states, the Congress has not been able to win a single seat in the Northeast. This again is a very, very strong indication of the kind of problems that the Congress is facing and how their future is getting more and more bleak as they move along. So, therefore, this is a very positive mandate, and once again, we would like to thank the people of these 3 constituencies, our coalition partners, and all the workers who have worked very hard so that we were able to win these 3 constituencies. I say we because the MDA has won these 3 constituencies. See, elections are still a year away. One cannot predict what will happen in 2023 today. But these are indications that people are responding to the work that we're doing. That is the only thing which we can say. But obviously, as a government, we cannot just take things easy. We have to now work harder than before. As a political party, we need to work even harder and ensure that we are able to organize ourselves. So therefore, yes, it's been a very positive mandate, but it does not mean that we can be complacent. It does not mean that we can be overconfident. We need to work, we need to continue working, and that is the message that we would like to give the party, workers and leaders and the state as a whole. That yes, we are thankful for the mandate that the people have given us, but it also means that we should now work, as our Deputy CM has said, we should now work even harder for the coming elections.
I'd like to add few more points. See, the by-election that has just happened few days back, especially during the campaign, we have seen the agenda of Congress Party. What they did was they went down to the voters, to the people by alleging NPP-led government with so many childish allegations made by them. But still, ultimately, I would like to place it on record. People of these 3 constituencies are smarter than those people who allege the NPP-led government in the name of MDA by proving themselves that still they have full faith and confidence to the MDA government led by Shri Conrad Sangma, led by the NPP. So I would also like to thank, on behalf of the NPP, we would like to thank all the 3 constituencies, people of the 3 constituencies, who has given us the victory. Very good margin we have, be it Maurangkeneng, be it Mau Plang, because UDP got a very huge margin, and also Rajabala voters. So we thank them so much, and now we have no more time. We need to also perform better than what we already done. Because we, to be very frank with all of you, we need to also think about the coming general election, which is going to be held early 2023.